In this demo, we will walk through entering the credit card sales order transaction within Sage 100 ERP. First thing we'll do is select the sales order entry option. Next, we will generate a new order number, as well as select the desired customer. Using your Lines tab, we will then enter the line item for this particular transaction, as well as the quantity. We can also enter a price for this particular transaction. Moving to our fourth tab, which is our totals tab, we'll make sure the deposit payment type is set to credit card. This will pull us into our fifth tab, which is selected for the payments. And at this point, for this customer, we do have a stored card on file. Now, keep in mind, this information is encrypted and behind our firewalls. We can select this card to proceed with the payment or any of the other stored cards that we have on file for this particular customer. In this case, we'll make that change to a MasterCard. We will confirm the billing information associated with that card is correct. Moving to the right side of the screen here, we'll check our pay balance box. As you can see, the payment amount of the 8787 is brought down for us, and we can now submit the card for payment. As we can see, the sales order number is brought in for us. The encrypted card information is brought in automatically, as well as the expiration date. We will enter the card verification value code. We'll confirm the payment amount is also correct. We'll select Next. The billing information is also confirmed. We'll hit Submit. And within a matter of seconds, we can see that this card and this payment has been authorized. We can now accept. Now, if we're ready to invoice this customer for this particular sales order, next thing we will do is go into our invoice data entry module. We'll create a new invoice number. We will go to our sales order lookup tool here. We will then scroll down to find the desired transaction and select. By selecting the third tab for your lines, this option, you will receive a prompt to ship the complete order. We will select yes. We will move to the Payments tab and confirm the payment information is there. The card has already been authorized, so we can now accept. The next step here would be to post this transaction to the customer's record as well as the GL or the general ledger. So we will select the daily sales reports updates. We will select print. We'll have a couple of options to print some of these reports. In this case, we're going to decline at this time. We have the option to print a gross profit journal. You will then receive a prompt to update the daily sales order sales journal. Select yes. Do we want to print the daily transaction report? This is optional. We'll select no for the sake of this demonstration. And we have successfully updated this customer's record as well as the GL account with this transaction.